Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Chase Bank Online Banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Chase Bank and click on this first website over here. Now, enter your username, and we need to click on Forget Username or Password over here. Now, simply enter your social security number or your tax ID number, enter your account card number, and/or the application number here. Once you are done, simply click on Next, after which confirmation of our identity will be done. Once it is done, we'll get a code and our email address or phone number to reset the password. Once this step is completed, we can finally reset our password. So, that is all we can do to reset our password on Chase Bank Online Banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.